Huh?
One of the houseboats.
Yeah. Somewhere in there. Oh, it's quiet. I cannot even hear the motor.
Electric.
Electric?
Yeah. We use
Oh.
those ones for just maneuvering when they're fishing, so it doesn't scare the fish.
Yeah, it's very quiet. I
And
don't
it's
know
for
which
short
house
distance.
they're going. Which house? I think that's the one. How about if we leave one of that?
Every time you see something that looks large, it's like we move there.
Yeah, because we can
We
go.
have kids who
We
are
can
in
go somewhere else.
You could also live on the road and drive all around the country. The kids have schooling.
Ella, Ella.
It's lovely and it's not for family.
Taking
farms,
the-
they make it for the family.
I'm taking the video of those where they go.
Huh?
No, I think they're not going on that house. I think the other side.
They'll drive to that side, so they go on the other side. Yeah, one of the big boats.
No, I think that's very peaceful to sleep there. No.
You have the rock in the waves. Now you probably
Yeah, but it's not much here. It's not that.
Underwood, nothing bites you ever.
No. You, because you are full of cheese.
I haven't had cheese, right?
Eating too much cheese.
No.
That's why. So I don't know where that goes. I cannot see them anymore.
Because you have to wear sunscreen.
Yeah,
Huh?
There's only one boat in there.
that's
I don't know where. And he's carrying
I stopped watching them.
a beer with him.
There's this fast one.
I wasn't watching.
Did you put sunscreen on your face?
Yes.
I don't know if they're catching fish or they just drive. Oh, the other one is fast.
It's a jet ski.
Jet ski.